Hi, I'm Rachel and welcome to my Outdoor Adventure Review channel. This is the first video in a series that I'm going to call Friday Food Review. It's going to consist of me trying different types of camping meals, whether they be dehydrated meals or snacks or something that you might have to prepare. That is what this Friday Food Review series is going to be about. If there is anything that you would like me to try that you've seen in your neck of the woods and you would like to send it to me, you can check the description for my P.O. box. And with that being said, we're going to go right ahead and dig in to the first meal, which is by Peak Refuel. I think I've tried one other Peak meal before, but don't quote me. This is the beef stroganoff. I do love beef stroganoff. So it consists of beef, rotini noodles, and mushrooms with a cream sauce. And on the back side of the package, welcome to Peak Refuel. Whether camping, hiking, hunting, or biking, you want to be at your best. Remember, what you eat matters. Our premium meals are formulated to deliver the amazing taste you would expect on any adventure. We've done all the work for you in creating the highest quality and most convenient freeze-dried foods on the market. So go ahead and enjoy whatever adventure you're on. We'll see you at the top. So those are some big claims. The highest quality and most convenient freeze-dried foods. We'll see how that holds up. The directions are as per usual. Open the pouch, remove the oxygen packet, and add 3/4 of a cup of boiling water to the pouch. Okay, 3/4 of a cup. That's not bad. Here's what the dehydrated meal looks like. Has anyone ever forgotten to remove this from one of these? And if so, what happened? This is a Sea to Summit cup, but it also has interior marks for measurements. Okay, we will let that boil and come back and pour it in our dehydrated milk. We are already boiling. That was quick, being only 3/4 of a cup. All right, let's pour it in this meal. Smells good. Almost smells like Domino's pizza. Or maybe there's somebody out here eating Domino's pizza. I don't know. Stir it up. This is 2 servings, but compared to some other dehydrated meals I've eaten, this does not look as big, as much food, I should say. That has a good flavor. Okay. Stir well and zip pouch. Let stand for 10 minutes. Okay, we will be back in 10 minutes. We have just a few minutes left on the timer, so before we dig into this, I'm going to try another surprise that I'd like to incorporate into these food reviews, and that is a drink. I do not drink alcohol, and I do see people who enjoy their flavored alcoholic beverages, and while I'm not going to participate in that, I'm going to participate in my own way, trying drinks that I've never tried before. So for today's drink, it is going to be the Coca-Cola Dream World limited edition. All right, I've never tried this, and we have this cute little cozy beverage vest, if you will. I believe I got this at Sportsman's Warehouse, not sponsored, but it is adorable. Let's unzip it here. Take this tag out. I like the packaging. The packaging is really cute, but what did catch my eye was this drink holder. It is adorable. They had one other option, and yes, it's Puffin Coolers. You can find them. Big City, proud supporters of Big City Mountaineers. Okay. See if this fits. Maybe it won't. It's kind of like, you know, I think a lot of us have been there where we can't quite get it all the way zipped up, but it will do. Let's give this a try first while we are almost done with our timer. You can taste the regular Coke. I think I taste some cherry in there. It's not like any other Coke flavor that I've tried before. What's coming to mind too is kind of a marshmallow flavor. I think I can pick up a cherry for sure. Cherry Coke, I mean, yeah, there's cherry Coke. Maybe a marshmallow. It's really sweet flavor. It's good though. The flavor lasts. It's very sweet. Does it say what it even is? Nah. And I got the 0 calorie. They do have the full calorie version as well. Let's dig into this. This is what we're working with. And I do have a plate to put it on it, even though there are flies. Let's just put it on the plate so you can take a look. Here's what it looks like. Wow. The flavor is very strong. It could use a little bit more water just because it's very, just needs to be a slight bit more soupy. Not soupy, but just some more liquid. I don't know what it is about freeze-dried meals, but the meat always tends to have a weird chew to it. And some of the meat that I've eaten so far is the same. It's kind of like a hollow bite. But this is made in the USA. Premium freeze-dried. Great taste guarantee. It doesn't say anything about the guarantee, what that includes, but probably on their site, peakrefuel.com. And it's from American Fork, Utah. I'm in Utah as well, so that is pretty cool. It does have a Domino pizza flavor to it too. So I don't think any bears are eating any pizza behind me. Yeah, the meat is weird. It's really good. It's so flavorful. It just needs a little bit more liquid. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. Yeah, I like this consistency a lot better. I would say go with 1 cup. Yeah, this looks a lot more creamy. Yeah, this looks, yeah, a lot better. Not so sticky. Let's try it with some of the extra liquid. Get the bottom here. Yeah, that looks so much better. That is really good. That is perfect. And I would probably go 12 minutes on the cook time to get the meat. Some of it's not that hollow texture. But some of it is. So I'd probably go like 12 minutes. 1 cup of water instead of 3/4 of a cup. And 12 minutes on the cook time for that meat. Let's try another sip. It's a pretty nice compliment to the beef stroganoff. I like it. If any of you have tried the Peak dehydrated meals, let me know. Have you tried the beef stroganoff? I think it is delicious. It definitely tastes premium. What were your thoughts? What were your thoughts on this food review video? If you'd like to see more, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And I thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.